And here we are, tail end of 2024. I realized I didn't do a best of moments last year, but this year I'm not missing out again. Anyway, so I just want to take this chance to say thank you to absolutely everybody who's viewed and supported the channel over the past year / past 7 years? It has been 8, holy moly. This year was about trying a few different things on the channel. I didn't do as many series as I did previous years. However, in saying that, I did do a start to finish dubstep series, which was just so long overdue. Apologies for that. I tried mixing different genres, different styles, different sound design, composition, and I think I hit the mark with a few of them. And I'll double down on the videos you guys really enjoyed for 2025 for sure. Next year, obviously gonna be some more bangers on the channel. I've started recording them already, so I'm not gonna have like a break or a holiday on the channel. It's just every Sunday, new video. So stay tuned for that, as well as a gigantic drum and bass pack that I've been working on since July this year. There's just been so much time put into that pack, but that will be coming soon as well. So with all that being said, hopefully you guys have a fantastic New Year's and happy holidays. I'll see you in 2025, and here is the best bits from 2024. See you guys next year. That sounds so weird to say. See you guys next year. Peace. Oh, fuck! That's the worst thing I've ever made on the channel. I'm gonna name it Dot 1. Low. I can hear this in my head where it needs to end up. Yep. Oh, what the fuck? Disgusting. Disgusting. Mid-range. 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 More bounce, more. Whatever that is. That sounds gangster. So. Fucking gang. Today we are finishing off the color base. And if you should notice something straight away, probably through my head going, yeah! God damn, I wasn't expecting that. It sounds like fucking Transformers. Textures and sounds just like, bro, stop making everybody look so bad. Damn. Oh, what? I had it purposely blocked out. Yeah, fuck it right off.
Are you listening?
Mate. It's disgusting. What the fuck? Played authentically instead of just reverb on the snare is so obnoxious. I can't, I actually can't. Massive it is. You can't. This is the best thing I've made all year. It's very... Want the D to hit. I'm not finishing that sentence. Just bang it up with... Poor choice of words. Hey? Oh, get in. The gentlest of rises. Damn it, need to make some. Yeah, and there's like 5 different elements of the drums. Kick, snare, cymbals, breaks. So there's 4 elements. Playing it. What the fuck was that? What was that? Oh my god, are we becoming... Oh nah, I'm actually melting my brain. Fuck right off. Shit. A bit of... Yeah, that's some jazzy shit. Finally! Fuck's sake, that took too long. What?